Dear God, sometimes I just don't understand why I have to go through so much in this society, living as a black man. It's my life. Every day, it's just a closer struggle. But you gotta do what you gotta do. Even if you gotta go out in a blaze of fire, just gotta keep your head up, put your back against the wall, and handle pressure. My life, a constant struggle just to make cream. My whole neighborhood is full of dirty dope fiends, and sirens make it hard for me to sleep. I gotta keep one eye open, cause I'm in this game deep. I live on the same street, on the same block. Mama told me stay off the corner where they sling rock. Should've went to school, but I hustled to get more cheese. Used to ride the bus, now I'm sitting on gold deep. Father, please, I know I'm living on the edge of death, but this is my life and nobody else. I know I gotta get my soul right. I know sometimes I be down on my knees the whole night. For every Sunday day, if it's a spend a cold night, thuggin' ain't the way to be. So dear mama, can you pray for me? Shed a tear when I'm here, cause you gon' miss me when I'm gone. Father, can you forgive me for all my sin, because I know I'm living wrong, it's my life.
I'm so sorry for causing you so much pain.
It's my life.
My whole life I tried to find someone to blame.
It's my life.
I pray someday I'll find some way out this game.
My life.
I try so hard, but Lord knows I just can't change.
My life. I don't think you understand me. All I try to do is take care of my family. Ain't no happiness, cause all I see is pain. No one ever think about the consequences of the game. It's a blessing if I outlast, or so confused cause you treat me like an outcast. I pay my dues, I was never thinking about class. Dropped out of school in the 6th grade, on the corner trying to get paid. Got my switchblade for the who love to pull triggers. Mama told me never fall in love with gold diggers. I don't hang with too many G's. Sometimes your closest homies be your worst enemies. Scandalous thief, my partners hustle all they gang bang. Some are in the cemetery, some are doing time on the chain gang. I try to maintain and pray to get by. Mama, don't you cry, cause I'ma be a soldier till I die. It's my life.
I'm so sorry for causing you so much pain.
My life.
My whole life I tried to find someone to blame.
My life.
I pray someday I'll find some way out this game.
My life.
I try so hard, but Lord knows I just can't change.
My life, they say the sky the limit. The world ain't mine, I'm just another brother living in this soul repenting. I hope I get to heaven one day. Do my dirt, go to church and never miss a Sunday. Life too short, build up my nerve just to testify, because I might be the next to die. No lie, I get high so I can deal with the pressure. The only time I smile when I look at mama picture on the dress of my life. Angels lift me in the heaven dome. Cold black rain made the grass grow. High class, get served on dessert. I be a black queen, used to be a goddess. Now she nothing but a crack fiend. Live for the day, I hope I make it through the night. When the feeling is weight, I pray my children gon' be alright. Papa used to say, keep your head up and try to be strong, and pray to God to bless the chop. They can hold this on, it's my life.
I'm so sorry for causing you so much pain.
It's my life.
My whole life I tried to find someone to blame.
My life.
I pray someday I'll find some way out this game.
My life.
I try so hard, but Lord knows I just can't change.
My life.
I'm so sorry for causing you so much pain.
My life.
My whole life I tried to find someone to blame.
My life.
I pray someday I'll find some way out this game.
My life.
I try so hard, but Lord knows I just can't change.
My life. My life. My life. My life. life.